Dude, you really are an expert at this game. Yeah. Because I could totally kill like lots of engineers with the chomper. Yeah. Since I hate engineers a lot. Yeah. Work hard. No, we're not. Just take it. Can you take your headphones off for a sec? Okay. Just pay attention. Boop, 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 boop. Work hard. Let's go. Ugh. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Did I just see something? Did I just see something? No, don't look at that. What? Saw something. I didn't see anything. I was getting more controlled. Powerpuff Girls, come rescue us. We're trapped. Besides, we're scared of you. I know. Oh, sweet, a shotgun. Now this is where I get used to. What the heck? What the heck, Chomper? I mean, what the heck? Bunk Troy, I didn't mean to call you Chomper, but what the heck still? What the heck do you need a shotgun for? I don't know. In case of zombies. Dude, no zombies ever been to one to fourth episode. What episode is this? The 5th episode. Oh. Okay, we're not snipers. Yeah. Did you just touch me? Oh yes. Oh yeah, I'm so don't ever touch me. Okay. Alright. There's a zombie base up there. At least we can go up. Is there see the Pokemon cards? Like a Mega Charizard card. I'll take. No one cares about the Charizard card. We need to get up here. We are up here. Really? Yeah. Are you stupid? Oh. Meanwhile, with the zombies. Dang it. You failed once again. I'm being super. If you guys failed this one, like in the 13th episode, then I'll call Slippy V, Caleb Adams, and David Comedian in 1991. Oh, sorry, sir. No buts. Or sorries. Sorry, mate. Sorry makes it okay. That's why. This is exactly why I hire gargantuars to do those things. I'm always guarding. I make it so cool. Where have you been, Cowboy Zombie? It's been here for the past hour. And plus you, Buckethead Zombie. Yeah. Sir, yeah, what? I saw some plants out there. Really? Really, P-Zombie? Really, P-Shirt Zombie? Yes, sir. Well, that's why I made a P-Shirt Zombie. That's why. Yeah. This is worse than the time when I had a roommate Pac-Man and things don't want to go out right. So, how's this TV going like? Why are we watching the Powerpuff Girls? Wait, are you saying we're trying to watch this so we can die, so I can die? Have a heart attack? Oh, heart attack! What an idiot. Yeah, you can totally get that. Hey guys, it's me, Bunk Troy, and Boomerang! Bunk Troy, I meant to say How'd you get up in here? Besides, you look like Geodude from Pokemon. Well, that's cool, because you know why? 'Cause I got a shotgun. Are you a sniper? No. You some people are snipers. Or. Just don't know. Things are about to go weird. Oh no. I know. No. Oh, go. Ah, no. Ah. No, that was the one of the first Conehead zombies I ever rose in. Yeah, I'm another. Yeah, forgot this. Gargantuar, force him. Ugh. You know, I'm gonna go back to the ship. I'm running the cow. Yeah, you better give me my $20 back, Dr. Eager Zomboss. Never! If you're not giving it back, that's it. I'm taking your scarf. No, my only scarf! I hate this! I hate when this is happening. Yeah, this is the worst when we're scared of Powerpuff Girls. Even plants are scared of Powerpuff Girls. Even us. Yeah. I would think that. Stupid. Okay. How do you end this video? Do you know how to end videos, Gargantuar? Okay. I know. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.